Good morning, dear students. Hope so you all are fine and enjoying digital classes nowadays and doing your studies regularly. Dear students, before going to start today's topic, let me take this opportunity to say something in front of you. Dear students, yesterday on 23rd April, it was complete 1 month as over to lockdown ourselves. We are missing so badly our school, our classes, you all in my classroom, but I wish it will over very soon. Those days will come back. Hope so. New shines, new hope, new energy will come with the new morning. So as the law of nature is there, if something took worth on this earth, so that will also die one day. So hope so this coronavirus which took birth, which originated from the Wuhan, it will very soon going to be end and we will have again the normal days. So without wasting any time, let's start today's topic. As last video I have left with the upcoming topic. Our upcoming topic was significant figure and yes, precision and accuracy. Today both the topic we will cover in this small video. Hope so you will enjoy. And dear student, before going to start, let me tell the significant figure. It is very important question. One question most of the time it will come in exam also, and very simple also. But you just have to see this video. You just have to watch this video with full of concentration and just try to understand and try to practice more and more. Okay. So before going to start significant figure, let's recapitulate. As we did last video, scientific notation in which any number can be represented in the form of n into 10 into n. Last video I will show you. This was our last video in which we did last Avogadro number can be written in the form of 6.022 in 10 raised to power 23, and in general we are writing n into 10 raised to power n, small n. Capital N represent number between 1 to 10, and small n, which is in the superscription, it is represented the integer, positive as well as negative. Positive we will write for large number of body, and minus negative we will write for small number of body. Okay, so let's start. So precision refer to the closeness of various measurement of same quantity. Accuracy is the agreement of particular value to the true value of the result. This we will do in future also again. Significant figure, this is the topic that today we will go to do. So let's discuss first about what is significant figure. So what is significant figure? These are the meaningful digits which are known with certainty. Again I am repeating, dear students, these are the meaningful digits which are known with certainty. There are some uncertain value also, there are some certain value also. Suppose if I'll take 2.321 blah 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 blah, this is a number. So 3 point, this is the certain value. 3 point mean the value is 3.2, value is between somewhere between 3 and 4, that is 3.2. but after that how many digits are there? Okay, that is uncertain. Okay, so we need to find out the meaningful digit which is certain, which is given in that number. Okay, or you can make it very simple definition also. Most valuable digits, you can say what is significant figure? Significant figure is most valuable digit in a given number. Most valuable digit in a given number. So let me ask before that one question. Is there any value of 0? Think. Okay, let me count 3, 2, 1. Is there any value of 0? So maybe some students are thinking yes, there is value, and maybe other side some students are thinking no, there is no value. So let me clear this with the help of this example. So this is suppose 100, 100. You can take 100 rupees and it can written in the form of 001. So where is now, see, in 100 1 there is 1, 2 times 0. Wherever in 001 also there are 2 times 0 and 1. But what is the difference? Difference is the value of 0 in both the number. Okay, in first 100 0 is after 1, whereas in 1 0 is before 1. So when in mathematically there are 0 before 1, so there is no value of that. You can see this is like 100 rupees and 1 rupees. Okay, so wherever 0 is after digit, non-zero digit, then there is value. You can add one more 0, then it will become 1000 rupees. Keep on adding 0, the value will become multiplied by 10. Okay, so this is significance. It means that in one number there is no value of 0, in other number there is some value of 0. So that thing we are going to teach today. So basic rule of significant figure, how the significant figure is helping, how we can write. So one by one there are 5-6 rules, so carefully, this is very important. See, any digit that is not 0, any digit that is not 0. So do you know about the numbers? So let's discuss about number become from basic number. All the number like endless numbers become from basic 10 numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, then we will, in combination we will do 1 0, it become 10. Similar way 1 1 11. So you know very well about this number. So all the non-zeros which is 1 to 9 are significant. First, for example, 1.234 kg. It means that how many significant figures are there? I am talking about figure. Figure means counting. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 significant figure. Similar way, second rule is 0 between non-zero. Now if 0 is between non-zero, between 1 to 9 digit, that is also significant. Suppose here example is 606. 0 is in between 2 6. So it means that this 0 we will count. This is significant. This is important. We will valued. Third is 0 to the left of the first non-zero. Left is mean front. 0 to the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. It means that any 0 before the first non-zero, that is not significant. Suppose, for example, we can take example of 0.08. You can see here 0.08. So it means that before 8, 2 zeros are there, whether it is in decimal or not, but left hand side there is no sigma. So meaning that here digits are 3, 1, 2, 3, but significant number is 1. Okay. Next is if the number is greater than 1. Okay. In case of decimal point, here specially focus on decimal point. In case of decimal point, if the number is greater than 1, then all 0 to the right of the decimal point are significant. Like in mathematics we are writing 1.000 is 1. 1.00 is 1. But in this particular chemistry, 1.00 having 3 significant figure, 1 also and 00 also. But that value should be greater than 1. Okay. Suppose for example 2.0. 2 is, you can see before decimal 2 is greater than 1. It means that 0 which is written after 2, that is significant. So significant value of this particular number is 2. Next is if a number is less than number 1, it is opposite to that upper one. If the number is less than 1, then only the zeros that are at the end and in the middle are significant. Okay, for example 0.00420. Now you can see before decimal there is 0 and 0 is less than 1. If like this way, then we cannot count the zeros on the right hand side, even in the left hand side. So there are significant figure 2. Do see the answer now. Suppose first question I told you 4 significant, second 3 significant, there is no doubt. In fourth there is 1 significant because before left hand side all the zeros, they are non-significance. It is in this case 2 because there is number value more than greater than 1. That's why 2 significant. And here in this case was 3 because before the decimal there is 0 and all the zeros before non-zeros are non-significant. So let's do some practice, okay? And use your mind. Just give the answer before. Question 1, 24 ml. So how many significant? 2 figure. Non-zeros. 3001. Okay. Guess. Yes. Yes. You guess correct. It is 4 significant figure because the zeros in between non-zeros are significant. Third, 0.0320. Rule number 3. So all the zeros before non-zero are non-significant. So total 3 significant figure. Yes. Next is 6.4 into. Yes, this is scientific notation. If we will get value of scientific notation, so it means that all the 10 raised to power 4 we will not count. Only we will count the coefficient 6.4. So how many significant figure? 2. Okay. Next is 560. 0 after 2 non-zero. The value will be 2 significant figure. There is no value. Okay. So somewhere significant figure in calculation also we are using addition, subtraction. You know very well in junior classes you studied how to add, how to subtract. But how to write significant figure? Addition you have to do in the same way. The answer cannot have more digit to the right of the decimal point than any of the original number. It means that we will see all the numbers. Suppose see first digit 89.332 need to be add with 1.1. Okay, and you know very well before decimal 1 point, after decimal 1 point. It means that we need to write it in this way. We cannot write in the ones and tens. Okay, so value came after sum 90.432. Now what will be the significant figure? Yes, I know everybody is thinking 5. No, dear, you will not do like this way. You see the two number which need to be added. In one number there are 5 digits, in second number there are 2 digits. So minimum value is 2. So we need to convert this first whatever answer into form of 2 digit only. So the answer is one significant figure after decimal point. Yes, in the lower one there is one significant figure after decimal point. We will ignore then upper 3. Okay, and the round off become 90.4. It means that once again, if suppose the value is smaller, यहाँ जैसे ऊपर वाली डिजिट्स में 2 तरीके के डिजिट्स को सम किया गया हुआ, एक में 5 डिजिट्स को सम कर रहे हैं, किससे? 2 डिजिट वाले सम से. तो 2 डिजिट में डेसिमल के बाद एक ही डिजिट है, तो आंसर भी 5 डिजिट वाला आएगा. डेसिमल के बाद 3 पॉइंट आएंगे, लेकिन हमने मानना है डेसिमल के बाद एक ही पॉइंट को. Okay, which is the original number. So hope so you got. Next is in subtraction also in the same way. So answer is 2 significant figure is there, see in the upper one, but in the lower one there are 4 digits after decimal. So we will prefer smaller one. So this also we need to calculate in this way. Now you can see here 0.7867 is the answer, but round off it is written 0.79. Whereas on the addition 90.432 is there, but it is written 90.4. Now here I want to ask one question. Why not in the upper one it is written 90.5 to make it round off? And whereas in the lower one in subtraction it is written 0.78. Instead of 78 it is written 0.79. कहने का मतलब है नीचे वाले में इन्होंने 9 किया हुआ, ऊपर वाले में 4 का 4 रखा हुआ. Why this is? Think. Okay, counting 5, you think quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So its answer is there are rounding off rule that we will do after this slide. Okay. So significant figure in multiplication or division also the same way in addition and subtraction. The number of significant figure in the result is set of the original number that has smallest number. जो छोटा number होगा उसका हमने significant round off बनाना है. जैसे for example 4.51 into 3.6666 given 16.536363. But rounding off 4.51, how many digits are there after decimal? 2. So we need to make here also 16.53. Now after 3 there is 6. If the value is above 5, जो भी डिलीट करने वाली वैल्यूज है उनमें से लास्ट नंबर अगर 5 से ऊपर है तो we need to add 1 with the 3. If it is less than, so in this case 6 is there, so we will add. Okay, so 3 significant figure is there, so this side also 3 round off we will make and round off become 16.5. अब 5 के बाद जो 3 है वो 5 से छोटा है, so that's why we will not make 16.6, we will keep it 16.5. Hope so you understood. Next is for division also in the same way, 2 significant is there, so round off 2 significant figure, it becomes 0.61. Okay, why we did 1? Because 0 के बाद जो 6 है that is above more than 5, so we will add. Okay, so rounding off rule, this is that rule. If the rightmost digit to be removed is more than 5, the preceding number is increased by 1. Okay, 1.386 जैसे है, if we have to remove 6, if we need to remove 6, तो we need to have to see it will become 1.38 की जगह 1.39 because the 6 is above 5, more than 5. Next is if the rightmost digit to be removed is less than 5, then we will not change, like 4.334. The 4 is less than 5, so we will not change 4.33 into 4.34. Okay. Next is if the rightmost digit to be removed is 5, then the preceding number. Okay, if more than 5, then we will add. If less than 5, then we will add. We will not add. But what happened if it is exact 5? Then the preceding number is not changed if it is an even number. In this rule, if the before 5 it is even, like 6.35, 3 is even, so we will do what? We will increase 1. We will make it 6.4. If it is odd, like in 6.25, 2 is odd. Even. ठीक है, I have told, sorry, I do apologize. 6.35, 3 is odd, so we will add 1. 6.25, 2 is even, so we will not add. Hope so you understood. Once again you see this. Okay, so what is difference? Now this is about significant figure. You keep on practicing some more questions that is given in your book. Now next topic is in difference between precision and accuracy. My question is, why there is need to study this topic with the significant figure? Yes my dear, precision is the closeness of various measurement for the same quantity. Closeness, कितना close कोई value है. And accuracy is exact number, particular value or to the true value. So here in rounding off we are talking about precision and accuracy somewhere. Okay, so let's discuss this with an example. It is given in your NCERT book. If the true value for a result is 2 gram and student अगर आंसर किसी वैल्यू का रिजल्ट का 2 ग्राम है and for example 3 different students are doing this task. A takes 2 measurement value and reported result, first 1.95 gram, second 1.93. Let's understand this with the help of this table. Students ABC, 3 students are there. You observe yourself, 2 more friend of yours, and you are taking 2 experiment, 2 reading. In one reading you are getting, suppose A is getting 1.95, B is getting result 1.93, so his average getting 1.940. Okay, B, your friend, he is doing same study, same reading, same experiment. His reading is 1.94 and 2.045, so his this average is coming 1.99. But one more friend of your, third person, he is doing same experiment and getting reading 2.01 and 1.99, so his result average is coming 2.00, which is the result which is asked in the question. So it means that who is the most precise and accurate? Okay, so the third student, he is both precise and accurate. He is both precise and accurate, whereas A and B, they are not accurate but they are precise, very close to. Okay, let's understand this with this slide also. Accuracy mean how close a measurement is to the true value. How close a measurement is to the true value. Whereas precision is how close a set of measurement are to each other. Suppose this is our dirt board, you know, where we are making dirt and we are focusing on the maximum number in the center, 100 point. Okay, so like first student, he has given all the blue dot in dirt. You can see 100 points. It means that all the 5 chances he has done particular 1 point. Whereas in second case also it is on nearby 10, but third case though different. You can see 1 is in 10, 1 is in 60, 1 is 30, 1 is 2 is in 10. So what we will say, first we will tell first student accurate and precise, second student was precise but not accurate, third was not accurate at all or not even precise. Okay, so hope so you understood with this example. So today's conclusion, we did scientific notation, in which we have studied that to write big numbers, very small number, in simplest form to make calculation easy. Significant figure is most valuable digit in given number. Most valuable digit in given number. Although all the digits are valuable, but which is most valuable. And rules to calculate correct significant figure, that we did. Precision and accuracy we did. Now upcoming topics which next we are doing, tomorrow we will do, that is law of chemical combination, in which 5 different laws we need to study. Okay, till then that's all for today. But for review questions, I am giving you some of the question. Hope so you will solve this and you will send me their answer, these questions answer. Okay, dear student, next week I am going to take a small test of this topic as and when we will come online, so you need to keep on working on that. Do these questions, I'm very much sure you all will solve this question. Okay, so let's conclude with the famous quotation of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, which I admire a lot. According to APJ Abdul Kalam, a bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking, because her trust is not on the branch but on its wings. So in general, what is happening nowadays, suppose +1 class student, you have kept science with very much so much hope, but sometimes general public opinion is there, science is very difficult subject, you cannot pass it, or you can pass or not. This kind of dilemma is there. So you don't have to listen those people. You just listen only a voice, a sound, a power that will come from your inside. Okay, everybody, it is my belief, everybody have one hidden potential inside us, which will come out when we will think we have to do this. So don't think, can I? Always think, yes, I can. Okay, so with this, all the best. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Hope so you enjoyed this class. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Okay.